Hi guys, I'm Naila Zawani Cynthia from Polytechnical Kemenkes Jakarta 3 from Bachelor of Applied Midwifery. I will discuss gender equality in Indonesia. In your opinion, what is gender equality?
Actually, equality is not being the same, as fundamentally there are differences between women and men. Women have equal opportunities to pursue career goals.
Gender equality is when women and men have equal power and opportunities to choose, with equal chance and choice available to each individual.
The meeting room buzzes with enthusiastic university students. Charissa, a spirited young woman, stands at the podium. Amidst the thunder cheers of the students, Charissa begins her inspiring speech. Charissa faces the hurdle of gender equality that complicates her chance of being elected. However, in a world still influenced by patriarchal norms, Charissa feels a significant obstacle. Charissa demonstrated her creativity in overcoming obstacles, creating innovative strategies. Undeterred, Charissa harnesses her creativity to pursue her dream. She rallies her friends to design an extraordinary campaign. As the vote counting concludes, the results are astonishing. Charissa successfully breaks through the gender equality barrier and is elected as the student president. Charissa not only becomes a resilient student president but also shifts the paradigm in her community regarding gender equality. In the current Gen Z era, it's often claimed that there is no longer gender disparity and everyone has equality opportunities. However, when we look at the number of leaders worldwide and career position in Indonesia, it raises question: is gender equality just an illusion? It can be said that gender equality in Indonesia is not yet universally felt by all women, while we strive for equality is not evenly distributed. A study indicates that Indonesia ranks 85 out of 149 countries in terms of gender equality. This implies that women in Indonesia face numerous challenges hindering them from truly having equal opportunities. What are the actual issues preventing women from reaching leadership roles? A significant issue arises regarding child marriage, with the fact that 15% of girls in Indonesia get married before the age of 18. Apart from health risks, this contributes to the widening of circle of property in Indonesia as these girls lost their right to education. It weakens the economy, trapping them in cycle that becomes difficult to break, perpetuating long-standing poverty. The good news is that the Indonesian government is currently drafting regulation to raise the minimum age for women to marry. However, the complex issues faced by women in Indonesia are still numerous, such as catcalling on the street, domestic violence, and traditional belief limiting women to home-based work only. The aspirations of women to become world leaders are hindered by the flames of cultural norms that need to be carefully navigated to keep the flame burning. While being a homemaker is undoubtedly honorable, the reality is that it often forces women to choose between a career and family. This creates an unequal competition. As in the workplace, men are often prioritized and considered superior in their career. Research indicates a close relationship between women's well-being and a country's economic status. The more prosperous women are, the more advanced the nation becomes. All these challenges pave the way for women to become leaders, and in the end, we are all still fighting together. Many role models have successfully demonstrated that women can lead and be heroes. The currently available educational opportunities are being utilized to nurture new female leaders for the future. Women outside and inside homes are capable of working. They can also be creative. Women can do anything. So, Indonesian society needs to be more attentive to gender equality. This video might not cover all the causes and issues of gender equality in Indonesia, but perhaps it's time for women to focus on strength rather than fears, because whatever we fear has no power. It is our fear that gives it power.